Stop. How many times have you heard this advice? Go to school, get a good job, save your money, and buy a house. That is a recipe for financial struggle. This is the rat race. You work for money, but your money is never working for you. Why? Because you are following the advice of the poor dad. The poor dad tells you your house is your biggest asset. The rich dad tells you your house is a liability. The poor dad says, I love my steady job. The rich dad says, I build my assets. In the next 4 minutes, we're breaking the system. We'll show you the rich dad's 2 most important lessons that change everything. 1. The simple cash flow secret. And 2. Why you must work to learn, not to earn. Stay focused. Let's get straight to the biggest lesson. Rich dad's definition is simple. An asset is anything that puts money into your pocket. A liability is anything that takes money out of your pocket. Now look at your primary residence, your new car, your high-end gadgets. Are they putting money in or taking money out? They are taking money out, which makes them liabilities, even if you call them assets. The poor and middle class focus their entire lives on acquiring liabilities they think are assets. They increase their expenses. The rich, however, focus 100% on building their asset column. They acquire stocks, bonds, intellectual property, and real estate that generates income. Their income comes from their assets, not from their job. The cash flow looks completely different. The poor's income goes to expenses. The rich's income goes to assets, and their assets generate more income. This is the entire game. Stop buying liabilities. Start buying assets. The second lesson is about your career path. The poor dad says, find a safe, high-paying job. The rich dad says, find a job where you can learn a valuable skill. The trap of high-paying jobs is that they make you feel secure, which stops you from learning the critical skills needed for wealth creation. Robert Kiyosaki emphasizes 3 specific skills you need, far more important than your job title. Sales and communication. If you can't sell your product, your idea, or yourself, you can't build a business. Accounting. You must understand your cash flow and taxes better than anyone else. Marketing. Knowing how to reach people is the key to scaling any asset. Don't stay at a job just because of the paycheck. Ask yourself, what skill is this job teaching me that I can use to build my assets? If the answer is none, it's time to find a new classroom. Your job should be a temporary training ground. You now have the rich dad's blueprint. Stop focusing on your income statement and start focusing on your asset column. Stop working for a paycheck and start working to learn. The moment you implement these 2 lessons, you are out of the rat race. Don't wait. Start today.